that Senator Kiko Pangilinan, galit na galit. I have never seen him so angry. And in this week alone, he was angry 2 times. 2 times. Galit siya, sigaw siya kay Senator Robin Padilla na muntik na magsuntukan doon. Tapos ngayon, sigaw na naman siya to object na hindi siya kasali dyan kung totoo man yan. At in fact, I saw that he was objecting, talking loudly at the same time as Senator Ping Lacson was speaking, such that Senate President Loren Legarda had to caution him and assure him that she will never do that to him, that she will never deprive him of his time or his turn to speak.
It was the manifestation of the presiding officer, the Madam Chairperson, that after Senator Lacson, I be allowed to speak, Mr. President. Are we now curtailing my right to speak, Mr. President?
Madam Chair,
We are
can I
not
answer
able to
that?
ask questions as to why we are amending the rules. We are not able to ask questions as to who they wish,
Madam Chair, may I answer?
who will benefit from the amendment to the rules.
For the
Is this
kind
rule, Mr.
information
President?
of
Is this
the-
rule, Mr. President, for
I was
Senator
about to
Bato, who is not
recognize
here?
Senator
We would
Pangilinan.
like to raise these valid questions, Mr. President, before we go into a vote, Mr.
Madam Chair.
President.
Yes,
These,
Madam
we should not be...
How can
our-
the presiding officer recognize Senator Pangilinan? Please know that I would never curtail your right to speak. Just as in 2004, I believe you were seated, and I was a vice presidential candidate of FPJ then, and my microphone was closed, and my right to speak was closed, was not given. I remember that time now, and the word noted was said to me. That will not happen now. I will not do that to you. And I'm not curtailing your right to speak, Senator Pangilinan, except that you were speaking at the same time. And I was about to recognize you because Senator Lacson had the floor.
Thank you, Madam President, for
So
that
I just wanted to
clarification.
be clear on record because I
If-
recognize you're being emotional, but it will go on Senate record that the presiding officer was curtailing your right to speak. I would never do that, and I would not do what I experienced in 2004 in the House of Representatives in the canvassing of the votes then.
Mr. President.
Thank you.
We see a Senate that is so divided over the impeachment of VP Sara, such that they're taking things personally now. That's why they say, ibalik daw ang dignity ng Senate. Teka muna, sino ba nagsimula nito? Kung meron mang na-diminish man ang dignity ng Senate. Kung politika lang po ang pag-uusapan, ay maintindihan naman ng taong bayan yan. Pero ngayon po, lahat na, dinadaan na sa personal na mga damdamin. Noong nag-move si Senator Marcoleta na i-amend ang voting internal rules ng Senado para makaboto naman by electronic means ang mga senador na wala, hindi physically present, ay nag-object agad sina Riza Ontiveros at iba pa. At sinasabi nila na hindi ba dapat pag-usapan pa yan sa Rules Committee? At nag-comment pa si Senator Raffy Tulfo na dahil ba makukulong si Bato? Dahil ba may makukulong na mga senador? Marcoleta said that is an unfair statement because hindi pa naman natin alam kung sino ang makukulong. Hindi po ba? At tingnan po naman ninyo kung bakit mahalaga din na makaboto sila by electronic means. Ito po kasi ang nangyari. Hindi lamang sa COVID, kung hindi pwedeng mangyari ngayon. Nangyari na kay JV Ejercito eh. Kay JV Ejercito, na-hospital siya. More than 1 week, hindi siya nakaparticipate. Eh kung hospital po ang senador at wala naman siyang mental incapacity, pero may physical siya na hindi physical incapacity, kundi physical impossibility to be physically present in the grounds of the Senate, ay maaari po sana siyang bumoto kung ang amendment ni Senator Rodante Marcoleta ay makapasok.